So this is the second question of our Neetcode 150 series, and this problem is an easy problem, and the title is valid anagram. So in the input we are given two strings S and T. We have to return true or false. If the both strings are valid anagram, then we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return false because that means that they are not anagrams. So what really is anagram? The definition here says that anagram is a string that contains the exact same characters as another string, but the order of characters can be different. So it means two strings have the same kind of characters, but the order must not be the same. So that means they are well anagrams. They can be rearranged with the same series of characters. C is a race car and the T string is a car race. Both of them have the same characters, but they are occurring at different places. That means they are anagrams, so we return true. In the second example, we see we have two strings, jar and jam, but the difference is that they both contains different characters like M and R. S it has R, T does not have R, but T has M, S does not have M, so they are not valid anagrams. So we're using C++ to solve this problem, and here the approach that I am going to use is just sort the strings, because after sorting the strings will be arranged in ascending order of letters, so it will be easier to compare them, that if after sorting both are equal, then they are anagram and we will return true in that case. So first of all, we will check if the size of both of the string is equal. Is equal to t dot size. If it will, if it is not equal, we will return false, because if the size differs, that means either of the string have extra characters, which is not the case of a valid diagram. Then we will just use the sort function that comes with the C++ HTL. So we will give the beginning pointer of the string, which is s dot begin, s dot end. Similarly, we will sort t dot begin, t dot end, and if s is equal to t, return to else return false. We will run to see if it works. Minutes and syntax mistake. Just put this semicolons. Yeah, it worked. See, it's already working. So here's the solution. I hope you like this video. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel.